Yeah? Okay, right, so the first thing we are going to do, we have been given like a expression, 2n plus 1 all squared minus 2n plus 1. We are just going to do something with that, okay? We don't care what's going to happen, but if we get this in an exam and we don't know how to do algebraic proof, the only way we can start is to do something with this expression. Right, Jess? With me? Okay, lovely. So, 2n plus 1 squared, Max, what does that mean?
There's like 2 of the brackets.
Yes, good. 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1. Okay, we are then going to expand it. Zach, expand that bracket for me, please.
Like 4n squared,
Yeah,
2n plus 2n,
Yeah.
and then plus 2n, and then plus 1.
good. You'll notice I'm keeping this in brackets, and that is quite important because otherwise you're going to mess up your signs, okay? So just be really careful with your signs.
Why is it minus?
Because that's what was in the question.
No, 4n squared. There's no difference.
There's equals.
It's an equal.
Oh.
Right. Right, then we're going to tidy. Matt, tidy it.
4n squared plus 4n plus 1.
Yeah, good. Okay, everyone happy? Now, so far all we've done is expand 2 brackets. Easy peasy. Okay. Just be careful here. We're then going to tidy it more. We are taking away all of 2n plus 1. Okay? So that means we're taking away 2n and we're taking away 1. It's a bit like expanding that bracket with a minus 1 in front of it. Okay, so if I expanded that, I'd get minus 2n minus 1. Okay, so just be careful with your signs there, because otherwise it won't work.
Because you're just timesing the minus.
Yes, I'm timesing the minus out. Or you're saying, okay, I've got to do all of this, take away 2n, and then take away 1. Okay, then you can tidy it up. So you're still left with 4n squared. We've got 4n, take away 2n, makes 2n. And we've got 1, take away 1, disappears. Everyone okay so far so good?
Yeah.
Right, so all we've done now, and I'd expect you to be able to get to this point without me, without having me talk you through it, okay? This is the bit that I don't expect you to be able to do. We had to prove algebraically that this is an even number for all values of n. Define, Lottie, an even number.
An even or uneven?
An even number. What is an even number?
Anything with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 on it.
Something you can have.
Yes.
You say zeros
It's,
even.
yeah, on the end, which means that it's what? More, I want a better definition than that. Good. It's divisible by 2.
Oh, zero is not divisible by
So-
2.
Or itself.
Yeah, 0.
She said, but she didn't say that. And yeah, it is. But Lottie said it has to end in a 0. So, what I need to do is suitably convince my examiner that I know that this expression is divisible by 2. Because if I know that this expression is divisible by 2, then it must be an even number.
Right, factorise divide by 2.
Correct. You are going to factorise it with a factor of 2. Because that shows that it is an even number. You do not need to take, you do not need to take out the n, even though obviously if we actually factorise this properly, it would be 2n brackets 2n plus 1. I don't need you to do that, I just need you to take out a factor of 2. Because if I take out a factor of 2, it does not matter what this is. This could be any number whatsoever, couldn't it? It could be an even number, it could be a negative number, although it doesn't say negative. It could be an odd number, it could be whatever. If I times it by 2, this whole thing, this whole number will be even. Okay? So then we'd say, therefore, it's an even number for all values of n. Hang on, I'll take questions in a minute. Bruce, can you stop the video?